In today's video, we will show you the simplest way to extract and replace PDF pages using LightPDF. Have you ever needed to extract and replace PDF pages on your documents? In the following clips, we will demonstrate how to do it using LightPDF. First, open the app to access the PDF file you want to edit using the LightPDF desktop app. Second, go to the Page section and click the Insert option to select the Extract option to get started. Third, click the Extract Pages as Separate File option if you want to save the selected pages as single-page PDFs. Next, if you want to delete the selected page in the original PDF, you can select the Delete Pages after extracting option. Once done, click the Extract button to keep the changes made. To replace PDF pages, go to the Replace option to upload the document from your computer. Then adjust the Page Range option to choose the page you want to replace. Lastly, hit the Replace button to proceed. And that is the easiest way to extract and replace PDF pages with this program. Thank you for watching.